Welcome back to another Walmart haul. I don't have very much to show you today, just some basic stuff, no beauty items. I looked, I didn't see anything intriguing or really anything new. So we got some basic stuff, some alcohol, baby wipes. I got some Equate dry scalp shampoo, which actually smells really good. And I was actually there for pictures, and I got 51 printed off. And Connor needed some socks. So we got Minecraft, Teen Titan underwear. John needed some socks, so we got a 12 pack of Hanes socks. We also picked up this emergency preparedness and first aid kit. We got 167 pieces, and this was on clearance on sale for $13, and I think it had been $26 or something like that. And it was cheaper than the ones you actually get in the camping sections, but it has stuff like poncho, emergency blanket, there's a radio and headphones, there's batteries in here, there is burn stuff, CPR, and your basic first aid stuff. There's glow sticks, all kinds of stuff. It comes in a nice little pouch for $13. I picked up the last one. And next, I picked up some movies. These movies are from the $3.74 bin that they keep. I got the Goonies, which has some extra content stuff on there. Encino Man. Connor really enjoys a lot of stuff with Pauly Shore in there. And we also picked up Twister, a true classic. And there is some extra bonus stuff on this disc as well for $3.74, so you really can't beat that. And then I only picked up one more item, and it's pretty big. I got this really big tote, and it has adorable pineapples. This was $5. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but this is the only print my store had. They only had 2 left. And I got this one. I'm going to take a picture of it as well. But that's all I got from Walmart. Hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more hauls. Check the description box for additional links. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already.